Sige, bye-bye. Enjoy! Ingat kayo.
Wow! Great pitch. For a moment, kala ko magba-back out na yung buyer.
Oo nga eh. Pero just by looking at the dad, alam ko na family man siya eh. And sigurado ako makukumbinsi ko siya kapag diniscuss ko sa kanya yung child-friendly features ng unit. Ayun.
I'm impressed. Hindi ko maiisip yun. You know what, Juan? I think you'll be a great father someday. I'm sorry, did I say something wrong?
Yeah, wala yun. It's just that kahit gaano pa gustong magka-baby, I don't think mangyayari yun anytime soon.
Pray tell.
To cut the long story short, I don't think it's the right time.
Or maybe it's not the right person. Maybe you were meant to have a child with someone else. You wanna try it? With me? I'm just joking, Juan. Masyado ka namang seryoso.
Ibang klase ka rin naman kasing magbiro eh.
Hey, for what it's worth, I wish na magka-baby na nga kayo ni Daddy. You have great genes. And the world will be a better place kung dadami ang lahi mo. Madalino. Madiskarte. At higit sa lahat, gwapo.
Aayusin ko lang yung mga resibo